Hi everyone. So this next topic is more geometry for you geometry lovers. This is quadrilaterals. So this year in 7th grade, they need to know a lot more about the characteristics of these types: parallelograms, rectangles, rhombus, square, trapezoid. I think they learned a little bit about kites in elementary school, but this is a lot more vocab again in this unit. So we talk about opposite sides and angles. Diagonals bisect each other, meaning they cut each other in half. The two sides are equal to each other when they cross. Polygon and parallel sides. These are a lot of vocab words, so making some flashcards at home might help, but we'll use them a lot during class when we're talking about these characteristics. So that's going to be the big part, is classifying each of these quadrilaterals by all of these types of characteristics. So I do have quadrilateral shapes in class. I think I have cut some of these out too before, but I actually have objects that they can move around. So this unit, again, some kids that loved the shapes and the geometry and the that part of math are going to love this quadrilateral unit. One of the big, this is one of the big graphs that we'll look at. This is kind of how the quadrilaterals that we study this year are kind of broken down. So this is a quadrilateral with nothing special about its sides or angles. And then trapezoids have one pair of parallel sides, and then these are the other names you can call this trapezoid because they all have those same characteristics. So we will use this chart a lot this year to talk about never, sometimes, and always statements that always seem to trip kids up and scare them a little bit, like every square is a rectangle because it has all the characteristics needed to be a rectangle. So this chart is really helpful when we're talking about those all, sometimes, never statements. So this chart will be home at some point with your child. It's a good chart to study. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.